So you may have seen a video recently about the Lensmate thumb grip for my Fuji X Pro 3 that I had, but now you see that this is on the table right here, and this is the Fuji X100V, and now the long-awaited, probably one of first to own, I've been checking their website, the Lensmate thumb grip black for the X100V. And I haven't always been a fan of thumb grips, but once I used it for the X Pro 3 and now the X100V, it's kind of a game changer for me in the grip, but let's check it out. So specifically for the X100V, and a lot of these thumb grips, you want to make sure they fit your camera, or it could, bend the shoe, mess it up a little bit, and you're not able to access what you need. Like for example, on the Fuji X100V, if you're trying to access the dial right here, and you have a thumb grip in the way, it blocks it, and you don't have a great view of it. And the great thing about what Lensmate does is they made them so they're foldable, which you'll see in a second as well. So, for example, you have the little case right here. You open it up, and there you go. That's what's inside. Lensmate, they don't make cheap plasticky stuff. It's a $60 piece, and they just make a very, very solid piece of equipment. And I'm having a hard time getting out. And on the top right here, it even says X100V, so you know exactly what it's going to. It took them a little bit longer to come out with this than I thought, but yet again, so underneath you have the padding to protect from your electronics in your shoe there, and then on the actual thumb part here, which bends, you have a little bit of rubber as well to protect any kind of scratching or anything against the X100V. And it's important to use the one specifically designed, like I said, because of design issues, but it also fits exactly as it needs. So let's put this on and check it out. Here's the X100 grip. Slides straight in. It's a little snug, but obviously fits straight in, so it's not like stressing it or doing anything weird. And then, there it is from here. So you see it kind of from the top. You move it out of the way, access the dial, change what you need, ISO, shutter, switch to bulb, and you flip it back. And you can all do that with one hand. Simple, easily done. And you see it's cut precisely for the X100V there. You could buy these $24 ones as well, but they're not cut. You can't fold them, and you do have a very difficult time switching the modes or whatever you need on your grip right here. So just wanted to kind of show you the quick $60 Lensmate X100V, which is now out in black and silver, and you could go from there. But that's it. That is the lens grip, the Lensmate for your X100V, which just really adds a lot of comfort and ergonomics to your shooting.